Tandito, where we're going.
And get all my fish.
Happy Saturday, everyone! Pupunta kami ng Carindale Shopping Center. Kasi...
We can't find the fish there.
Hmm?
We can't find the fish there. Where's the car?
The car is there, Baba. Oh my God, it's so sunny. So sunny. Hold, Mama.
You know the fish is there?
Yeah.
You remember?
Remember?
Do you remember I got it?
Yeah,
The
well,
purple one.
we'll have to go find it, okay?
Yeah. I'll check if it's... You don't put silver on, you would die.
Maybe.
Yeah. I promise. Just goes there. So maybe
Are you excited, Palingling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To get my fish. Mama.
Dito na kami, guys, sa shopping center.
Getting my fish.
That's right. Lily has been going on with this fish toy, guys. Punta kami ng Mr. What was the name of the place lang?
Oh, no, actually
Mr. World?
swim.
Oh, wait.
Actually swim.
What happened?
They actually swims, Mom.
Yeah, okay.
The purple one is there.
We'll see if it's there. Mr. Toy's Toy World.
Chilling.
We'll go have a look inside. No, sa atin.
Either I have 50 sets of Lego in one room, or I don't have it.
Come here, Bobby. We'll go find your fish. Come on. Where's Daddy?
Oh, I don't know.
Look at these toys.
Mama.
Bumabaha ng laruan.
Mama, we can't see it.
You might have to ask. At the front, Ate.
What's it called? What are they called?
That's not the one, Lin, yeah? It's
No. The one that was, we got that thing. We then got
The color.
she wants
this one.
another onion.
This one.
Okay, gusto niya yung she's very particular sa kulay, guys. Gusto niya yung
only pink one.
Hold it.
purple.
There's
Sure to Lini? Tingnan niya.
I didn't like that. Mama.
We'll keep looking, Baba.
Mama.
Ito yung gusto niya.
Mommy.
Little live pets, yes.
I can have that other friend later.
Nice.
Mommy.
Maybe if you're good for Christmas, yeah?
Okay, for Santa give it to me.
Mm-hmm.
Lenny.
Huh?
I think that's the only color that I have.
They only have the pink.
This is neon. It's not pink, Ling Ling. It's neon.
I didn't like that one. Not,
Lenny, look. Do you want this one?
not that one.
Hold it, I think. Do you want this one? I don't know if you got purple one.
Do your magic, Daddy.
Abra, cadabra, aboo.
Magic.
Did a magic trick.
Why?
Huh?
Daddy is a magician.
That was for Christmas. I think Santa will give that to me.
For Christmas.
Yeah, that was for Christmas.
But
Hey,
no,
what do you say to Daddy now?
Thank you.
but no more toys.
What's the button?
No more toys for Christmas.
Daddy,
Huh?
that's for Christmas.
Hi, this is the last toy until
That
Christmas.
is for
Okay.
Christmas.
Yeah, until Christmas.
Mama, that's for Christmas. The elephant.
Yes,
The two.
correct. Oh my God, toys.
That's
Lucky
for
I looked at it.
Christmas, Daddy, that's for Christmas.
Yes, Christmas.
I'll do this pink one.
Don't talk about toys until now. For now, yeah, not till Christmas.
No more toys until
A few moments later.
We are having something to eat, guys, at Vietnamese restaurant. What is Lainey having?
fish.
Fish.
Fish tail, like gut.
Bago tong restaurant nila dito, guys, kaya try namin. And you know what?
This mine.
Really? Oh, I have to find something else. I have to look for something else.
And it's sweet.
I have it.
Yes.
They don't have
How much?
Mom, you reach there? I love you so much.
Fish are cold.
Naubos na, guys, hindi ko nabili. Chicken skewers. Ito ang aking tom yum soup. Kasi wala pala sila ditong bunbuwe, yung aking favorite, guys. So I just ordered this. My second favorite. Nak, I'm a Barbie girl. Ano? What is that, Daddy?
Lemongrass chicken, lemon chili salad. Is that one natin? Can you go over there and ask for a fork, please? Can you go ask them? How many forks do you need? Okay.
Here we go.
Thanks so much. Awesome, thank you.
So guys, we're going to make holes like a trading. So we're doing the little life test fish. So that's Elise. She has been asking her, and her dream come true, right? So
Okay, you have to wait for a minute.
So we're
because
going-
I'll be putting more water, okay? We need to put more water.
so we'll show you. So ready, Mama?
You ready?
Yeah. And Celine is so excited. And look what I got. I got this little squishy bear. And you might know I broke my finger. Celine has been asking for this.
Do you think you need more water than this, Daddy?
Yeah, you need more. You need more. And probably about 2 more pans or
Yeah?
1 more pan or 2. Because I have these. I actually don't have these before, but they are so sweet.
Yeah, we don't want to. Maybe we'll just do half, yeah?
Yeah.
And that will be enough. I don't want to waste it.
But I'm so excited. Even me.
Okay, maybe you can start putting it now.
Let me take off the cardboard.
Just this one.
Let me take off the cardboard, Mama.
Okay.
Okay, Mama, can you show the camera? So,
Okay, madam.
okay, first we're going.
Let Lily do it lang, because that's hers.
I'm going to take off the wrap. I can't do it.
Okay. Ate will help then?
I do it right there. Stop, Louie.
Say hi, Louie. Say hi, mate.
Hi. He says hi, Mom.
Okay.
Hi. Take the cardboard off. Louie? You want me to take off the cardboard? See? I took off the tape. Doing it now, Cecily.
Lily,
You do it.
it's okay. You hold it lang. Just okay. Just hold it.
Just hold it at the
Hold it. Ate, you and Ate will hold together. Okay.
So guys, look. My here's what I can see.
And then the fish will come out.
Oh. It's coming.
Just let it. Look.
Celine. Mom, can I get it?
It's food. It's the...
Ow! Mom, get it!
Sobrang saya ng ating baby Celine. Kasi, na dream come true. Matagal na niyang pinapabili yung isda na yan, guys. Actually, they had it before. Like, earlier this year, maybe? Kinitkit man ni Louie. Yeah. Anyways, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung mga napamili ko doon sa grocery store. So, hindi ko talaga pinano na pupunta sa Asian grocery store, guys. Yung sa amin ay bibili ng fish, ng laruan ni Baby Celine, tsaka, you know, something to eat. But, naisipan ko, sabi ko, parang kulang-kulang na yung mga ano ko dito sa bahay. Sabi ko, meron naman dyan. Pupunta na lang ako since nandun na naman kami. And you know what? Every time, pag pumupunta ako sa mga Asian grocery store na ganito, guys, nagkakaubusan talaga ng pera. Oh my God. Alam na alam yan ni Daddy Mike. Sobrang dami kong nabibit-bit paglabas ko ng ano, guys. Where's the food? Ate! Did you go to the toilet, Ling?
Yeah.
Did you wee-wee?
Yeah.
Good girl. Good job. Ate, where's the feed daw? The thing, the lipstick thing for the fish. Oh no, don't tell me Louie got it. So first, pakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko. Kopi ko Blanca. Ang kape na nakakapag-palpitate sa mami nyo, but sige pa rin. Inom pa rin itong kopi ko Blanca na ito. My goodness. Sarap kasi, guys. Surprisingly, this is cheaper there kumpara sa isang Asian store na pinupuntahan namin. Maybe naka-sale siya or something kasi $10-something lang ata ito. Baas na ba yung resibo nito? But first is this kape. I love that kape, guys. And this one, nakita ko to siya pagkalabas na namin. Actually, nung papalabas na kami, magbabayad na. At nakita ko, nakasabi dito, hindi ko maintindihan, oy. Saan country ba to galing? Product of Korea. Yung nakalagay, butter coconut biscuit. At tingnan nyo yung picture niya, yung parang, alam mo yung yellow packet sa atin na butter coconut din? Sabi ko, that will be like, that can be an alternative. And then, nata di coco. Sarap kayang kainin nito, guys. Ano lang pa, snacks. Meron din silang mga nasa pouch na ganito, maliliit. So, yung naiwan doon ay tatlo. Pili ko na yung tatlo. Kawawa naman kung iwan yung isa. Lahat na. Then, next one is, oh my God. What is that? Did you find it?
Yeah.
The feed. Oh, anak, don't take it out the water lang.
Mom, he'll die. Mom, let's my chocolate. Your dice?
Yes. Meron tayong cooked sweet potato. This is
Potato.
ano ba nakalagay? Iba man yung nakalagay sa ano? Anak, let me open it for you, not bake this. You make a mess.
Daddy, since it's nearly Halloween.
There you go.
Do
Sobrang
you
sarap
have a
nito,
straw?
guys. I'll have some. Maya. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga binili ko. Sweet style spaghetti sauce. Del Monte. Meron tayo.
What is that?
It's a coconut. It's nata de coco.
It's
Mamacita's Tocino mix. May apat tayo. Meron tayong adobo mix. Tatlo. Minsan, guys, like, gumaganon-ganon si Daddy Mike sa akin, guys. So, kapag Asian store yung pinupuntahan ko. Kasi, yeah, here's the straw. Minsan, hindi ko na tinitingnan yung presyo, guys.
That won't.
Here.
We need the pink one.
Hindi ko na tinitingnan yung presyo. Yung sa akin lang ay excited ko na nandyan. I have mais. Alam niyo ba? Meron namang mga mais dyan sa grocery store dito, no? Sa Post at saka sa Woolies. But iba talaga yung sarap ng Asian, guys. Na, ano?
Mom!
Yes,
The
ba?
toy fish one dead.
No, it's a toy.
The toy fish.
That's
not a real one. But the toy fish will die.
Product of
Mom,
Vietnam.
did the toy fish die?
No, it's not gonna die. It will die if there's no battery. Ito yung nakapamahal sa lahat, guys. Ang ating saging. Bahalag saging basta labing. Ayan. Meron tayong saba dito, guys. Worth it naman to siya, guys. It's 22 something dollars, guys. 22.50 for this 1.8 kilo na saging.
Mommy, maybe I'll lift this in the water.
You can if you want to.
I'll put in the water.
So, sa aming value
I'll
ay
put in the
kinakawat
water.
mo lang ito.
Mom, I'll put in the water.
You can, baby. Pero yeah. Na-miss ko na to, guys. Sobra. Wala silang ako. Wala akong nakita na ano doon eh. Yung ginamos ba? Yung, ano yun? Galonggong. Galonggong bago. Galonggong. Oh my God. Tagalog mo more. Anyways, ito yata yung kakainin ko ngayon, yung saging. No, Louie! Here. Anak, Louie's got your squishy lang.
Wait, give it to me now.
Ay, ito pala. Isa pa. Ayan. At Ate Tara essentially loves the seaweed. Ayan.
Yes, I like seaweed.
Ano? Napakarami. Or mais kaya yung kainin ko, guys? Ayan. Hindi ko na alam. Sa dami na nang binili ko ng pagkain. Ano yung unahin ko? Ito yung saging. And, in-unbox ko to today, guys. Oh my God. Itong ring from Taylor.com Jewelry. Oh my God. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Kanina ko to in-unbox. So maybe napanood nyo na yung unboxing video
I
nito.
think so my toyfish would die.
Yeah. Don't let it die. Tingnan nyo, madam na madam.
No, it's not real fish.
Bongga.
When
Anak, you're talking loudly lang and you're on the camera.
I'm not the camera.
You are. Look.
No, Mom, no, movie the radio.
It's that time of the night na naman, guys. It's presyohan time. So, bukas magbebenta si mami nyo kasi Sunday. At ito yung ilan-ilan sa mga aabangan bukas. Ito ko eh. Yan. It's, shorts. This is from Age, an Australian brand. Meron tayong plain na white short dito from Theory. Ayan, may tag pa yarn. And, got this one, Vestiaire Collective na pants. We have a Burberry pants. Ayan. And then, yung iba dito, ayan, meron tayong Zimmerman na dress, the mini dress. Plain black lang siya. Okay. We've got Escada. That's the brand. Ano yan siya, guys? Ganyan siya. May mga sequins. This is from Gigi and Ella. Napakaganda nito, guys. Itong top. Pag nasuot to, sobrang ganda niya. Ayan, may tag pa yan. Oh! Pick it up! There's more. Look at that dress. This is from Marks. Oh, ala. Bakit nadagdag? Saan mo nadagdag ang presyo? This one. Have this dress. So, mainly dresses yung bitbit natin, guys, kasi magsa-summer na. Ang hanap ng mga tao ay dress. This is very nice, guys. Very good brand. This is from Mary Catranzo. Is silk. Napakaganda. Yan. Feel na feel mo talaga like mamahalin talaga siya. Kasi feels pa lang yung look very classy, ano? Got blazer. This top is from Shona Joy. This one. We got Play. We got YSL. Another Burberry dress. Top. Maliit lang siya sa akin, guys. I wish this is my size. Hindi ko talaga ito ibebenta. Kaya lang, napakaliit. More. Just the Lord. And this one, ito yung pinakabongga bukas, guys. Ito yung very pricey ko na dress. Alam niyo ba, this is like a Zimmerman dress. Zimmerman is like so big. I think it's Australia. I think it's Australian brand, pero it's also known sa ibang bansa. Like si Tita Jinky Pacquiao, guys. Tita ko yun. Ang dami niyang yung mga brand na Zimmerman. Anyways, this is brand new and tingnan niyo. Like seriously, tingnan niyo, brand new to siya. Ganyan ang kanyang presyo. 1,500 Australian dollars for this dress, right? But people do buy it because, you know, it's the brand and it's the style as well. Quality din naman, sobrang quality din naman talaga niya. Ayan siya. Ayan. Zimmerman. Grabe, bungga ng damit na to, guys. Got Shona Joy. And then, this is Alice Macau. Very summer. Sobrang yung mga cut, ganyan. Kitang-kita yung laman loob niya dito, guys. And this also has tag steel. Tingnan niyo, original price nito ay, kita ba dyan? 360 Australian dollars. Grabe. Pero maganda din naman. Yeah, so yan yung iba sa mga benta ko bukas. There's more. Ito presyo. I've got this Coach bag for sale tomorrow. There's more. What are you doing, Winnie?
Eating
The what? What's that?
How about we
Tingnan nyo.
that?
Nagtatago siya dyan, oh. Yung bakain siya ng crackers.
Not focus.
That is crackers, isn't it?
No.
Okay.
Hala, what happened to your nose? Scratch it out.
Huh?
You're a big girl na, oy. Tago-tago, tingnan niyo. Kumuha pa siya ng kanyang upuan. Alam niyo na.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
No.
No? What are you eating then if you're hungry? If you're not hungry?
Mom, it tastes. This is too. Mom, it tastes like. Mom, you know what this tastes like? Frocus?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like frocus. Mom, my finger hurt.
Hurting?
Mom, still holding.
Still hurting? Mwah.
Mom, get it away.
Huh?
I was eating mine the whole time. I want my candy. I want my candy. I never want candy. I want my candy.
Anak.
Mom, no, I want candy.
You ate your candy already.
No, my candy.
Anong oras na, guys? 11:12. Mommy is editing while eating my kamote inside the lagayan ng butter kasi wala na naiwan. Ayan o. And while daddy is cleaning the floor. Tsaka pa talaga nalilinisan yung floor na ganito, guys, kapag tulog na yung mga kids. Kasi wala nang pa takbo-takbo.